How you can delete your Twitch account on iPhone. So first thing first, let's open the Twitch app, and once you open it, you will be able to see the interface shown in the screen. So now you can see there is profile option at the bottom right corner of this home page. So just tap on the profile icon, and once you tap on it, you can see there is settings option at the top left corner of this profile page. So you should tap on settings, and once you tap on it, you can see at the bottom of this Twitch turbo there is account option. So just select the account, and afterward you can see there is two options in red color. So first one is disable account, and another one is uh, permanently delete account. So if you want to delete your account, then simply tap on the permanently delete account, and finally you can give your reason in here, or you can straight tap on delete account, and you can confirm it, and yeah, you will be able to delete your Twitch account successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to delete a Twitch account. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.